This one CH3, you can take more and more complex examples. If you have this amine, how you will name it? As per the rule, you have to first select the principal chain, then you have to go for numbering. We have to number the principal chain from the side, while from the carbon bearing the functional group will attain the lowest possible number. If you start numbering from this 1 to 3, if you start it is 1 and 2, it means that correct numbering is this one, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then as per the rule, first you have to write the name of side chain, that is 3-methyl. It is as per the rule 3-methyl. Then you have to write the word root, that is but. It is N, replace E by amine, but the amine group is on the carbon 2, it will be 2-amine. This is the correct IUPAC name of this very compound, 3-methyl butane 2-amine. Well, in the IUPAC system, you have to simply replace E from the alkane by the suffix amine. This is the correct name of this very compound. It means that we have discussed the first part, that is nomenclature of aliphatic amines, common system and IUPAC system. In the common system, there are two ways. We have discussed both the ways, and in the IUPAC system, we have simply alkane amines replace E from alkane by the suffix amine. Now we will discuss the second nomenclature of aromatic amines. Nomenclature of aromatic amines. Nomenclature of aromatic amines. Here we have also two methods. The first one is common system, and we have the second, that is IUPAC system. Common system, and we have the IUPAC system. As usual, we will discuss first with the common system. In the common system, how we can name the aromatic amines? Nuclear substituted, when the amino group is directly attached to benzene. We have not yet discussed the nomenclature of side chain. We are talking about the nuclear substituted when the amino group is directly attached to the benzene. You have to write the name of this one. It becomes aryl group. Just like aliphatic amine is alkyl, here it is aryl. Then you have to use the suffix amine. It means that in the common system, aromatic amines can be named by writing the name of aryl group followed by the suffix amine. You have to mention these are generally named as aryl. You have to write the name of aryl group, aromatic part, aryl group, followed by the suffix amine. The name will be aryl amine. But here you have to remember very important point, the simplest aromatic amine in which amino group is attached to the benzene ring, it is popularly known as aniline. Remember this point. The general method is aryl amine, but here you have to remember the second point. What is the second point? The aromatic amine in which the simplest aromatic amine in which amino group is directly attached to benzene, it is known as aniline. Hence we prefer aniline over this one. We generally name it aniline. We can't say it is phenylamine. You can say, as per this, you can say it is phenylamine, but this is popular name. We are saying it is the aniline. Well, you have to remember here the simplest aromatic amine. The simplest aromatic amine in which amino group is attached, in which amino group is directly attached to the benzene ring is commonly, or you can say popularly, known as aniline. It is known as aniline, and all other aromatic compounds, all other aromatic amines are named as the derivatives of aniline. All other aromatic amines, they are being regarded as the derivatives of, they are being named as the derivatives of aniline. All other, you have to mention this line also, all other aromatic amines, all other aromatic amines are named as the derivatives of aniline. You have to remember the first common method, that is aryl amine. You have to remember, you have to write the name of aryl group aromatic part followed by the suffix amine. It is aryl amine. But the simplest aromatic amine, that is aniline, and all other, they are being named as the derivatives of aniline. This aniline is so much popular. The name aniline is so much popular. It is being taken. It is being accepted at its IUPAC name also. The aniline is its common name. You can take aniline as its IUPAC name also. Remember this point. We will take some examples. For example, you have this one. You can say it is aniline. It will be its common. It will be its IUPAC name. You can remember it is common name. It can be its IUPAC name also. It is also accepted. It is IUPAC name. It means that its common name will be aniline. Its IUPAC name will be also aniline. We have this one. You can write common name. You can write the IUPAC name. It is IUPAC name. The first IUPAC name is aniline. Remember this. The second IUPAC name, we have to discuss that. If you have now derivative of aniline, for example, this is aniline, and here we have bromo. How you can name in the common and how you can name in the IUPAC. In the common, you have to use the ortho, meta, and para. You know these things. And in IUPAC, you have to go for numbering. Then what will be the name? It will be, common name will be orthobromo aniline. Orthobromo, it is aniline. In case of IUPAC, you have to go for numbering. IUPAC name will be 2-bromo aniline. 2-bromo aniline. Remember this point. Aniline it is common as well as its IUPAC name. But in the common name, if you have substituted, you have to use ortho, meta, and para. In case of IUPAC, you have to go for numbering. For example, we have another example. Let us say NH2 and we have the Br. What will be the common name? It is at para-fusion. It will be para-bromo aniline. And what will be the IUPAC? 1, 2, 3, and 4. It will be 4-bromo aniline. In IUPAC system, you have to go for numbering. In the common, you have to use the prefixes ortho, meta, and para. Ortho is for 1, 2, meta is for 1, 3, and para is for 1, 4. In this way, we can name it. This is the common. But we have another IUPAC name. This is the aniline is the IUPAC name. First, it is accepted as the IUPAC name. But we have another IUPAC name. You have to see the aromatic hydrocarbon. It is benzene. Replace E by amine, just like aliphatic alkane replace E by amine. Here we have benzene, replace E by amine. What will be the another IUPAC name? Benzene, replace E by amine, it will become benzenamine. It is IUPAC name. it is accepted, aniline is being accepted as the first IUPAC name, but the second IUPAC name is replace E from the name of aromatic hydrocarbon. Here it is benzene, replace E by amine, it becomes benzenamine. Here what will be the second IUPAC name? 2-bromo benzenamine. Benzenamine replace E by amine. Here what will be the second IUPAC name? It will be 4-bromo benzenamine. 4-bromobenzenamine. This is common name. This is common name. This is common name. These two are IUPAC names of these compounds. It means that in the IUPAC name there are two ways. The first, you can take the aniline as the IUPAC name, but the second, you have to replace E from the name of aromatic hydrocarbon. Let us say it is benzene. Replace E by amine, it becomes benzenamine. Remember this point. And if you will see, these three are 1 degree amine, NH2, NH2, NH2. We can say it is 1 degree amine. Sir, it is 1 degree aromatic amine. It is also 1 degree aromatic amine. Now we will see the case of 2 degree amines. We will see the case of 2 degree and 3 degree amines. If you have 2 degree and 3 degree aromatic amines, for example, we will have this example. NH, but here it is methyl. We have, for example, benzene, you will have CH3, you have this one. It is 2 degree, it is 3 degree. If you have this one, it is also 3 degree, but the substituents here are different. One is methyl, another is ethyl. They are different. How we can name? You have mention common and you have to mention IUPAC. How you can name the common? N-methyl, as usual, N-methyl, then it is aniline. What will be the IUPAC? It will also become its IUPAC name, N-methyl. With respect to aniline, it is also its IUPAC name, but its second IUPAC name will be N-methyl. N-methyl, we have benzenamine. This is the alternate IUPAC name. This is common name. What will be the common name? The two alkyl groups are similar. N-dimethyl aniline. N-dimethyl aniline. And what will be the case? IUPAC name will be its common. What will be the IUPAC name? IUPAC name will be, this will be the first IUPAC name with respect to aniline, N-dimethyl aniline, N-dimethyl aniline, and we have another IUPAC name with respect to benzenamine, N-dimethyl benzenamine. Benzena, replace E by amine, benzenamine. Go with respect to aniline, it is the first IUPAC name. With respect to the second, it is the second IUPAC name. Now, how we can represent, how we can write the name of the third one? I will take this third one here to make it clear. You have this one, and it is 3 degree, but it is CH2, CH3. How you can name common and IUPAC? Common, and we have the IUPAC. We have common and we have the IUPAC. Common alphabetic order, this is ethyl, this is methyl. It will be N-ethyl, N-ethyl. We have N-methyl aniline. It is N-ethyl, N-methyl aniline. This is the common. What will be the IUPAC? It will also become its IUPAC name with respect to aniline, N-ethyl, N-methyl aniline. What will be the second IUPAC name? N-ethyl, N-ethyl, N-methyl. You will have benzenamine. You will have N-ethyl, N-methyl benzenamine. This was about the common and IUPAC nomenclature of aromatic amines. We have discussed nomenclature of aliphatic amines. We have discussed the nomenclature of aromatic amines. Inshallah, with this we have completed the second topic of this very unit, that was nomenclature of amines. Inshallah, in the third lecture, inshallah, we will discuss the preparations of amines. Best of luck.